Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to add a dispersion text effect in Canva. So first of all, we go to create. After making create, we go to choose the file format that you want. For example, me, I would be creating a YouTube thumbnail. Then let's say that you choose the text that you want. So we can just add a heading, and let's say letter M. Then put this on a bigger format. There we go. So upon checking for a bigger format, we can choose a better font like Lily the one, so it looks better. So we just search for the font, and here we go. This is the Lily the one font. Then afterwards, how do we gonna make that dispersion effect? Place it here. We go to elements, search for black fade. Insert this one and rotate it to 90 degrees. Then we're gonna resize it so it looks like a natural part of the text. So we're gonna align it here. There we go. So afterwards, we're gonna just go download this design on a PNG. Just align the elements now. So just press share, download as PNG. So download, then we add a new page here below. So after adding a new page, we're gonna put the downloaded page here. So we just go to your downloads file and find the downloaded page. So we're gonna put it in Canva. So there we go. So afterwards, we're gonna crop it. After cropping it, we're gonna make the image bigger. So now here we make the image bigger here. So now what you want to do is we crop this, we split it into new parts. So Command C, Command V. Just press copy, then paste. There we go. So just split this part into half. So there we go. So now we're gonna put this faded area to a dispersion effect. Go here, go to apps, and search slice. Press slice, and we're gonna press open. Just wait for the file to open. So upon here, we just click mince. So select an image to apply mince. So we can offset the contrast or whatsoever and press save. So it will look like this. So now we see that we have a disperse effect here. So next one is we can blend some images with this disperse effect, but this is your disperse effect already. So next is gonna go to another one, apps, and search for image blender. So now we're gonna search for image blender, and we're gonna use the blending mode image. Now we're gonna select the image and pick image blender and put a screen mode. But since this is a non-pro, you need the actual professional image blender, so you need to purchase it. Just press to upgrade to image blender pro, and you can insert the images into this disperse image. So that's how you create a disperse image in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks to come.